Hey YouTube, Death Scouter here with another video, and today we are working on the blower motor, which as you can tell by my settings should be producing some kind of airflow right now on a setting of 1, and I've got absolutely nothing coming out, but as I go up to a higher number it works. And the truth of the matter is, this is probably one of the easiest repairs you're ever going to do in a Jeep. Blower motor is controlled by a resistor board. Dun dun dun. Controlled by a resistor board that looks exactly like this. And what this is different resistors go in line with the motor, and the more resistance you put in line, the slower the motor goes. And because it's using a heavier resistor for the slower speeds, it's usually the slower speeds that burn out first, and you only get blower settings at the higher speeds, and that's exactly what I'm having. So where do we find this magical board? It's right here in your glove compartment. And just open your glove compartment, remove all your guns and firearms. Oh, sorry, not everybody is crazy like me. And just pull these tabs in on the side. 2 at a time would be nice. And your glove compartment drops out of the way as such. And then there's just, you look in here and my, this wiring harness right in front is your resistor board. And I'm going to go ahead and use a 5/16 nut driver. I actually have a little bit of wiggle on this nut driver, so knowing all things Jeep, this is probably something small like a 7mm, but 5/16 is going to work just fine, and that just so happens to be what I have handy. So I'll get in here and unscrew this. And once that screw is out, you can just maneuver this resistor board out of the way and pull out and look for damage. Now, the factory ones, believe it or not, this is the second time I've done this to this Jeep in the years that I've had it. And the factory board is white, and you can normally see actual burn marks where the resistors have actually smoked up. So I'm going to turn off the power to the system right now. I had my key turned to the accessory mode, and we will go ahead and pull this out. First we flip over and we find our little tab there. I hate these red tabs, but Jeep has them on everything. And then there you go. A little tab here behind it. You just push down on that tab and we should come right off. And it's coming. I'm just a little too impatient, and it's kind of hard to do when you're holding a little camera. There we go. Worse than I made it seem. And you just take the new one and line up the little key here, which is kind of self-explanatory, and push this all right back in until everything clicks into place. And push our little, if we think our wiring harness is in all the way, we'll push our little key tab here in to lock it. And with a little test, and look at that, listen to that, down on 1, we've got blower again. So I'll just tuck this back into the hole and tighten the screws back down, and this is another project done in under 5 minutes. It costs you about $25, $22 all on sale, and you can save yourself some pennies. Enjoy, stay cool. It's 80 degrees out. See ya.